Welcome to our video on how to incorporate Quietum Plus into your daily routine for tinnitus management. If you have been struggling with the constant ringing or buzzing in your ears, you know how frustrating and disruptive it can be. In this video, we will show you step by step how to use Quietum Plus to effectively manage your tinnitus and improve your quality of life. Before we dive into incorporating Quietum Plus into your daily routine, it's important to understand what tinnitus is. Tinnitus is the perception of sound in the ears or head without an external stimulus. It can manifest as ringing, buzzing, hissing, or other sounds. Tinnitus can be caused by various factors, including exposure to loud noise, age-related hearing loss, or underlying health conditions. Managing tinnitus requires a holistic approach that addresses both the symptoms and the underlying causes. Quietum Plus is a natural dietary supplement specifically designed to support tinnitus management. It contains a powerful blend of herbs, vitamins, and minerals that work synergistically to reduce tinnitus symptoms and improve overall ear health. Some of the key benefits of Quietum Plus include reducing ear ringing, improving hearing clarity, supporting brain health, and promoting relaxation. By incorporating Quietum Plus into your daily routine, you can experience relief from tinnitus and improve your overall well-being. Now let's talk about how to incorporate Quietum Plus into your daily routine. The recommended dosage of Quietum Plus is 2 capsules per day. It is best to take 1 capsule in the morning and 1 capsule in the evening with a glass of water or a meal. This ensures optimal absorption and effectiveness. Make it a habit to take Quietum Plus at the same time every day to establish a consistent routine. Consider setting a reminder or incorporating it into an existing part of your daily routine, such as brushing your teeth or having breakfast. In addition to incorporating Quietum Plus into your daily routine, there are a few lifestyle tips that can further support tinnitus management. First, limit your exposure to loud noise, as it can exacerbate tinnitus symptoms. Use ear protection when necessary, and consider reducing the volume on your electronic devices. Second, prioritize relaxation and stress management techniques, as stress can worsen tinnitus. Engage in activities such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Finally, maintain a healthy diet rich in antioxidants and nutrients that support ear and brain health. Incorporating Quietum Plus into your daily routine is a proactive step towards managing your tinnitus and improving your quality of life. By following the recommended dosage, establishing a consistent routine, and adopting additional lifestyle tips, you can experience relief from tinnitus symptoms and enhance your overall well-being. Remember to consult with your healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Thank you for watching our video on how to incorporate Quietum Plus into your daily routine for tinnitus management.